how's your stroller? How does it ride around?
No.
Oh, it's your baby?
Yeah. Okay, John doing.
John is riding the rocking horse. That's okay. Oh, John, could you scooch so she can get through, please?
John, go away.
Okay, you can get through, Mary. You want to go down that hallway? And turn around? Good turning.
Wanna go?
Yeah, go ahead, come on.
I got
Scooch around the shoes. All right.
Let me go through.
Okay, you go through.
Gate.
John is a gate.